Hey, ladies and gentle giants. And so today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. It's going to be real easy, real basic because you know me, like, we ain't going to do too much. Okay, I'm going to keep it real easy for the girlies. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to take this Got to Be glue gel. You can use any gel, but this works really well. Okay, I'm going to brush my eyebrows out first and fill them in. I don't have eyebrow pencil, so I'm gonna use this eyeshadow. Now, a little tip that irks me is when people use black on their eyebrows. To make them look natural, you want to use a dark brown. It can be however dark you want it, but make it a dark brown and not a black. Okay, because when it's black, it just stands out like a sore thumb on your face. So we're just gonna do a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna fill in my brows. I did like arch my brows last night just to keep them, up to par. All right, so now I'm gonna use this gel, and like I said, it's the Got to Be glue gel, just a little bit because you don't need a lot, just a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna put that on my brow. It's gonna hold my brow in place. And then I'm gonna use this concealer. I've been using it for years, and I'm gonna use it to outline my eyebrow just to make it look a little better. Now, you don't need a lot, y'all. Like, we're not gonna OD with this makeup situation, okay? The goal, think of the end goal, is to look natural and cute, not too much. We like natural, we like classy, okay? So first thing I'm gonna do is outline my eyebrow, the top and the bottom. You see that's a very thin outline I did. Then I'm just gonna take this Q-tip and blend the edges out like that. This is actually my first time using the Q-tip, and I really love the way it worked. I saw a girl on TikTok use a Q-tip. I was like, I'm gonna try that out, see how it works. And it really works good because you can really get to blending and really get rid of that light hue around your eyebrow. And as we go, it's gonna blend in more and more with my skin. So anyways, I just do the same thing on the other brow, y'all. And yeah, you just want to keep blending until it looks natural. Once you have it all blended out, if you need to go back in and add a little bit more brow pencil or eyeshadow to your eyebrow, do that, because I often have to do that, and that's okay. And now I'm just kind of touching everything up a little bit just to make sure everything blends properly. I'm not going to do any eyeshadow today because I just got my lashes done and I don't want them to be like a mess. So I'm just not going to do that today. Next up is I'm going to use the same concealer, and I'm going to blend my makeup out under my eye because I just need it to be a little lighter. I don't want a really dark under eye. I also put it in the middle of my nose. This is gonna kind of make my nose look a little bit more snatched. And I also put it on my mustache area. And then I'm gonna take this brush. Now you can use a brush or you can use a beauty blender. It's completely up to you. For the last few years, I've been using a brush and I really like it. Alright, so now we're going to get to the foundation part. Now, on my sideburns, my dark spots, I usually put concealer on them back in the day, but now I don't. I'm just going to show y'all what I do. First, I'm going to spray this setting spray on my face so what I just did can set. And then I'm going to go in and use my flat brush for my foundation. I put my foundation on a napkin, and then I add this Fit Me powder the dark shade. I'm gonna put the shade on the screen so that y'all know. It's Dark Profound, that's what it is. And I'm just going to mix that with my foundation. And what that's going to do is turn my foundation into more full coverage. And full coverage means that it's going to cover what you need it to cover, because you got light, medium, full. This is more of a medium coverage foundation, but I want to make it a full. So as y'all can see what I mean? It's working. It's covering good. Now all you gotta do is tap that out, blend it out. Take your time to blend it. It's no rush. And I also like to start with a little bit of foundation versus using a lot, because first of all, you don't want to use too much product and you don't want it to look like cakey on your face. So just add a little bit and that should do the job. Now up here at the top where my eyebrow is, I'm going to take the corner of, well, the edge of my brush and just tap it over my brow, because it's going to bring that white looking hue down, so that, like I said before, it'll look natural, because we don't need it to look too much. We don't, okay? So you just want to bring it down, and it kind of looks more like a highlight now, which is cute. That's cute. That's cool. Now I'm going to go in with this setting powder, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose, and it's just gonna, like I said before, continue to snatch my nose so that it doesn't look so wide. You know what, I wish I would have knew this trick when I was pregnant, because my nose was so wide, y'all. Like, I was not here for it. It was so wide. So now I'm just gonna take some of the powder and place it under my eye, and what it does is it gives you like more of an airbrush effect, and it makes your makeup just look so much better. It controls like your pores from getting oily, and yeah, I just like to add a little powder. Now I have my fluffy brush. I'm just gonna take it and brush off my nose, the bridge of my nose, lightly, not too much. And as y'all can see, the look is starting to come together. It's starting to do what it's supposed to do, because we're not doing too much, y'all. We're just doing light and cute. Now I'm gonna add my eyeliner. I probably got this eyeliner pencil from the dollar store, not even gonna lie. I don't like to do a lot of eyeliner, but I just like to do like a little line, not too much. And if you wonder why one of my eyes is smaller than the other, it's because when I was in high school, 9th grade, I had Bell palsy. And yeah, if you don't know what that is, look it up on Google. But it kind of shifted my face, and yeah, that's why my eyes are like that. Now onto my lips. I'm just going to take that same concealer that I used under my eye, apply it to my lips, because I want to work on a blank canvas. I use a lot of Q-tips when I do my makeup, because I feel like that's just better, and it's just like cleaner when you use your Q-tips. So I'm just going to blend that in, and I'm going to go back into my eyeshadow palette, use the darkest brown that I have, and I'm going to use it to outline my lips. Now y'all, I'm gonna look crazy at first, but trust the process, okay? Trust the process, because it's gonna work out in your favor. Now I just outline my lips like this, and I use the other end of the Q-tip to just blend it all out. Like, just tap it, tap it, tap it. As you tap it, you'll see that it becomes less dark. And I'm also gonna put some of the eyeshadow in the corner of my lips, because I forgot what this is called. I forgot what this lip style is called when you put it in the corner of your lips. But anyways, I like to do that because it makes it look really cute. Remember to always blend until you get it to look in the way that you want it to look. If you want to go the extra mile, you can get some of your foundation and clean up around your lips. And what it's going to do is just make your lip combo pop a little bit, just make everything look a little neater. The last thing that I'm going to do is add some blush, and it's just going to give you that glow like when you turn to the side. Well, the type of blush that I use, it gives you that glow when you turn to the side, when you smile, and it's a nice addition. Now I'm going to tackle these locks. I'm going to do something real easy like a swoop bang and half up, half down. All right, y'all, so we are about at the end of this look. I really like how it turned out. Really natural, really cute, not too much. I forgot to turn on my ring light during this whole process, but once I turned it on, this is how my makeup was looking. I hope y'all like this video. Like and subscribe if you like my content, and I'll see y'all later. Thank you.